like, guys, I showed you my nails and stuff yesterday, but the thing is, two of them, two got out. Then like I was like, let me get them all out. So I got them all out and stuff. There was like 8 left, or was there 5? I don't remember and stuff. But what I know is that I got them out because I wanted to. They were like moving and stuff, things like that. So I said, no ways, I'm getting them out and stuff. So this nail, I just got it out because like I saw that it will get out. It was really wet. It was wet. So like when I do like this, it'll just stick. Like stop. This will be a put in now. So like I put it on my status. I did not see that. So I was like, no ways. I did not put it there. Stuff, things like that. Then I got this one out and it was okay. It was really hard to get it off. And I was like, this one is okay. It's stuck. It's stuck on my nails and stuff. But it can't go back like this one. Let me see if I have another one. Okay, so like this nail, the nail, like this nail, like it sticks. Yeah, it sticks. It's alright and stuff. But these two can stick and stuff. But they are too long. That is why I got them out. Like they are not age appropriate for me. I'm just young, guys. I'm young. My friends have like small ones, not big ones. I wanted to be like my friends and stuff. But what I should do, I should just put on Q-tex and stuff. I should put these nails that are this long. It's okay. I just need to cut them. Cut them like they should be maybe this short, like this short. They shouldn't be that tall because like they are age appropriate. I can't. I'll see you in round like part hundreds. Just joking. 7. Bye. Love you.